Are you tired of running out of dice in Monopoly Go and waiting hours for a refill? Good news! This video reveals the ultimate way to get Monopoly Go free dice rolls instantly using an amazing online source. This hack is safe, reliable, and works like a charm, giving you the boost you need in the game without spending a dime. Here's how it works. Enter your details. Start by visiting the secret free dice source. Enter your Monopoly Go user ID, select your device type, Android or iOS, and specify the number of dice rolls you need. System processing. The system processes your request within seconds and prepares your free dice rolls. Quick verification. Before adding the dice to your Monopoly Go account, there's a simple verification task. You'll need to download and play a popular game until you reach level 9. This ensures everything stays secure and keeps the system running smoothly. Once verified, the free dice rolls are instantly credited to your account, ready to use. Whether you're collecting properties, completing challenges, or just having fun, this method guarantees you'll never run out of dice again. This is the perfect solution for anyone searching for Monopoly Go cheats, a Monopoly Go dice hack, or Monopoly Go free dice links. As we approach Monopoly Go free dice December 2024, now is the best time to take advantage of this free source. Watch the full video for a detailed guide and step-by-step instructions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who love Monopoly Go. Together, let's roll our way to victory.